lovelies, and back again to show you how I transformed this wig. This is a closure that I transformed. If you are yet to watch how I transformed this, it will be in the description box for you to watch. This is a blonde looking weavon. So before we proceed, I'll be showing you how it looks on me, how good it looks on me. This is how it looks on me. This is how the new weavon looks on me. This is the closure. This is how it looks. Honestly, I'm feeling the vibe. You can imagine how the old one looks on me. Now I'm feeling the vibe. You can style this one any style. You can just do it anyhow. So if you are here to see the old one, how it transformed it, or if you want to see how it transformed it, keep watching. Okay, these are the things I will need for this tutorial. This is my old looking hair. I'm going to lose it out before transformation, before the new transformation. Let's start. I'm making use of a wig cap for this tutorial. I make sure that my wig cap is fixed properly on my dummy head. This because I don't want it to flip out or not be stable when I'm sewing my wig. For the next thing, I'm placing my closure on the wig cap. I place the closure, then pin it down. You can actually pin it down and sew immediately, or you pin it down then sew your wig. Like I said, if you are yet to see how I transform the closure, it will be in the description box for you. I'll be making use of a shorter hair at the back. I'll be making use of micellar hair, which is used for fringe. But I'll be using this one at the back to make the hair look thicker. I'm going to be placing a longer one to it, then sew together before sewing to my wig. I'm doing this because I want the blonde cord to look thicker at the back. I want it to have a thicker length. If you just notice, I'm cutting out the hair once I'm done sewing each line. I'm doing this because I don't want the corner to look a kind of heavy for this wig. But if you want to know how to sew a wig without actually cutting it, I'm going to leave in the description box the link of how to do that. You can click that to watch. But for this video, I will not be turning, I'll just be sewing and cutting. Now this week I'm using two different shades of weavon. If I sew a lighter one, then the next one I'm going to sew a darker one. If I sew a lighter one, I'm going to sew a darker one the next line. This is what I'm going to be doing till we are done. As you can see, I'm so happy, so excited about my new hair. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.